Ingredients: 1. 400 grams of pasta, fettuccine or spaghetti. 2. 1 cup heavy cream. 3. 1/2 cup butter. 4. 1 cup grated Parmesan cheese. 5. 3 garlic cloves, minced. 6. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 7. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. 8. 1/4 cup chopped parsley, for garnish. 9. 1/4 cup mozzarella cheese, optional, for garnish. Instructions: 1. Cook the pasta. In a large pot, bring salted water to a boil. 1. Add the pasta and cook for 8–10 minutes, or according to the package instructions. 1. Drain the pasta and set it aside. 2. Prepare the sauce. In a large skillet, melt the butter over medium heat. 2. Add the minced garlic and sauté for about 1 minute, until fragrant. 3. Add the cream. Pour the heavy cream into the skillet with the garlic, and mix well. 3. Let the mixture simmer for 5–7 minutes, until the sauce thickens slightly. 4. Add the cheese. Stir in the grated Parmesan cheese and continue mixing until the cheese is fully melted and the sauce is smooth and creamy. 5. Combine pasta with sauce. Add the cooked pasta into the skillet and toss well, ensuring the pasta is fully coated with the sauce. 6. Serve. Serve the pasta in plates, garnished with chopped parsley and mozzarella cheese, if desired. Tips: 1. You can add grilled chicken or shrimp for an extra flavor boost. 2. You can substitute the Parmesan cheese with another cheese of your choice, but Parmesan gives a unique flavor.